Guys, and welcome to Advaieth Vlogs. Today I'm doing a review of the Air Up starter kit that I bought for my birthday. So we have this bottle. So it's based on the scent that you get when you drink. 80% of your taste comes from the scent that goes into your nose and into your olfactory center in your brain. And it converts everything into the taste, but you're actually just drinking fresh water. So yeah, let's open the pack. So this is what it comes with. This is what the bottle will look like. Let's open it. So I'm opening the pack. Comes with a quick start guide, and this is the pods, a small user manual, and the actual bottle itself. Cut it into pieces. It looks really nice. It's a matte black finish. And it looks really nice. Let's just side. So it has a detachable lid, and it has a bit of a irregular shape. This is so you can put it into the tap. So some taps have quite a low place where it's put, so you can put it underneath and fill it up. So this comes right off. It has a straw, and this bottle is 650 milliliters. And this starter kit comes with a lime flavoured pod and a passion fruit and orange pod. We'll try this soon. So we'll take a look at the quick start guide. We take the lid off and pour some water. So before we start, I'll tell you the price range. So the original retail price is £29.95, and with discount codes and special offers, you can get different prices and below the normal price. So right now I'm going to be trying the lime flavoured scented pods. Let's open this. This is resealable, and you get up to 5 litres of refills per pod. So let's open this. Oh, it smells like lime. And so first we put the pod with this like triangle shaped edge, and we'll put it against this and just push it down, and in this position all the way down it's off, so you can't smell it. When you pull it up, the airways will allow you to smell it, and it tastes like you're drinking lime water. It's really cool. Yeah, so this tastes like actual lime, and yeah, it's really cool. So let's try the orange passion fruit pod now. Let's open this. You can actually smell it. It already smells really nice. Let's put this on. Turn it on. It tastes so good. That's really nice. So there's many flavors. If you go to the Air Up website, it will be in the description below, and you'll see there's so many different flavors like Coca-Cola, iced coffee, rose, lychee. Everything is there, so it's really cool what you can do these days. So yeah. thank you guys for watching this review. Hope you have a very nice day and bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.